Ever wondered how crucial clean air and green living spaces are to your health and well-being? Let's delve into it. Indoor pollution can surprisingly impact our health, but fret not. Nature has a solution. Houseplants. Well, here's a secret. Houseplants can be your perfect green companions. Let's dive into the world of houseplants that aid in purifying air and creating a serene environment. First on our list is the spider plant, a superhero in air purification. This robust plant can thrive in less than ideal conditions, making it a perfect choice for those without a green thumb. It's known to remove toxins like formaldehyde from the air, helping to keep your home fresh. Next, we have the snake plant. This plant not only purifies the air by removing toxins but also releases oxygen at night, promoting a restful sleep. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance and can survive in low-light conditions. Thirdly, the peace lily, often considered the queen of houseplants. It filters out harmful toxins and adds a touch of elegance with its glossy leaves and beautiful white flowers. Just remember, it prefers indirect light and needs to be watered once a week. The fourth is the aloe vera, a plant with healing properties. Besides purifying the air, its gel can be used for various health and beauty purposes. It loves a sunny spot and doesn't require frequent watering. Finally, the English ivy, a classic beauty that's excellent at removing airborne mold. It's a versatile plant that can be grown in pots or as a climbing vine. Isn't it amazing how these humble houseplants can make a huge difference to your living spaces? Indeed, green living spaces are not just about aesthetics, but also about health and wellness. These houseplants not only add a burst of vibrancy to your homes, but also work tirelessly to purify the air you breathe. They're nature's own air purifiers, offering a green solution to cleaner living spaces. So, why not invite these green companions into your homes? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such green living tips. Stay tuned!